Yeah, I have this Dinky Austin. As you can see, I've tested paint stripping and different things. I don't want to use paint stripper, but I'm going to just use this drill clamped in, with the handle clamped in the vise and the wire brush on it. I'm just going to clean this car off quickly and we're going to see what it looks like. Well, there you go. What do we got? Maybe 5-8 minutes. You have to be very careful, and actually you should wear leather gloves. I don't have them. I just have these at the moment. But be very careful with these bristles that you don't hit your hand. It'll tear strip out of you. Be safety and glasses on. So there you go. Look at how nicely that's polished up. Look at the bottom. How pretty that is, huh? Needs a little respray and she's done. Needs a little touch up, but basically that's it. 10 minutes. So you should use leather gloves. I'm afraid I'm having difficulty getting a pair at the moment during COVID. I'm miles away from any hardware store, but I am wearing gloves to be safe and glasses. But you should wear the leather ones because you get cotton at you. It saves your fingers. So basically in 12 minutes, I've cleaned this car here, Corgi toy, the Bentley, right? Without taking anything off it, no rivets off, no windows off, just left it as is. So you can see there is a quicker way of doing these things. This is a spot on I bought for fun, it's a junker. But look at that, pretty clean. I didn't get in here. You need a Dremel with a wire brush to do that. I have to go find some new ones. And here's a Sunbeam Alpine that's pretty pitted, but you can see it's cleaned up quite nicely. If you sprayed it grey in that, it would look kind of cool, old. What you do is you spray paint it, then compound it a bit, it would look really cool. Windscreen needs to come out yet, the old windscreen, and a bit of rust in here. But otherwise, 3 of them in 12 minutes. It goes to show, I like this because there's no chemicals. And I'm my older age trying to keep away from the chemical and acids and that, breathing them in. So I'm happy with this. I might file this down a little or something, but for 12 minutes, that's a pretty good start. So a wire brush is great to use. You can use various styles.